Hey guys, look what I bought myself last week. A new buck knife. There's 3 versions of this one. A small one, a medium, and this is the big one. Yep. Bantam BHW. I can't remember the length of the blade, but it's about 9 centimeters. It's a big knife, sturdy knife. Good steel, blade steel. Holds an edge, okay. This is a factory edge. Let's see if it's razor sharp from the box. I have no more hair on my arms. Take my legs. Oh yeah, guys, look at this shit. Huh? Okay, it's razor sharp from the box. So the action is pretty tight. It's a back lock. So yeah, it is what it is. It's a cheap knife, you know. It's impossible to flip out, but it's a bushcraft knife. Go hunting and shit, you know. Sturdy knife, robust knife. Gonna use out in the forest. I'm walking with my dog today. Sorry about my voice, guys. I have a cold. It fucked up my voice, so I sound like a sissy boy sometimes. That's the way it is. But the knife is good. Good grip. Good blade, steel. As mentioned before. I have the little version of it. BBW, I think it is. It's a very little knife, but it's good at work in my pockets. Utility stuff. So this one I'm gonna use in the forest and hunting. That's the purpose of this knife. So I'm gonna find some branches and stuff. See if I can cut. I have only one hand to do it. There's a recording because my bipod is at home. So improvise review while I'm out with the dog anyway. So let's see if we can cut some stuff. I cannot do this. Did all right, man. Left hand. First tree. Well, if it's razor sharp, I can take hair. You all know it can cut paper, so I'll drop the paper test today. Not necessary to do that one. But it's a cheap knife. But the balance of the knife is not so good because the grip is plastic and the blade itself is of course steel. So it's nose heavy. See the balance. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it's right okay anyway. But it feels a little bit nose heavy, but it doesn't bother me at all. Good grip. Back lock here. Smack it in again. Deployment sucks, but if I deploy this one with 2 hands, it's okay with me. I don't give a shit. This is not a quick deployment knife. It's a utility knife out in the forest. Yeah, I can do this faster without gloves, but it's winter now, and I use it in the winter, going hunting. In autumn, it's also cold. So, yeah. That's what I have to say about this knife. Good solid knife from Buck. Made in the USA. Yeah. Never go wrong with that knife. So yeah, take a look at it again. Details. While the dog is running around like a crazy. Press it down and just give it a shake. He will not having doing that. Click. Deployment. It is stiff. It is stiff, man. I have to break it in, but it is stiff. It is what it is. You get what you pay for. That's the way it is. A cheap knife. So that's my little humble review of the Buck Bantam BHW. Can't remember all this name stuff. So Buck Bantam BHW stainless steel blade. So I'm out of here, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.